It is cold, but good morning. Yeah, it's just about 7 o'clock. Pack everything up and then hit the road to get to Queenstown to meet 2 of our friends to go for a hike. And that is our breakfast for later. So the ride is around 50 minutes. And I think I didn't show you guys this new cup holder that we made in the Vatican, which holds this big tumbler. So we decided to have a quick stop at the gas station to fill up all the tanks. And now we're heading to the Remarkables ski area. So I am a bit early, so I have some brekkie. Path is where you make it. So that's the single cone. Enjoying? You've done it. No, peak is up there.
Echo! I see what you mean when you said cold. What a day. So this hike was clearly beyond, or if not beyond, then very, very close to my comfort zone boundary. But it was very well worth the struggles, and the views were absolutely amazing. So now we're back here at the Kingston campsite, and tomorrow we will be going to a little bit of a climbing action at Y Creek. Now it's time to get some editing work done, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.